This dictation material has been obtained from Commonwealth Para 20. All those little details were well known to the woman who watched from her window on that June day. Full stop. She knew just how much growth had been added to the plants under her window since June had lost come and gone. She knew just what would appear from each part of the ground round the house, when to expect it, and how to care for it. Full stop. Her knowledge of the countryside and of her own little piece of land had grown up naturally when her during the 15 years that she had lived in that old stone house. Full stop. It was quite a small house with 2 rooms looking out on to the road and 2 bedrooms above. Full stop. It was simple and plain, but it met her needs and the needs of her small family. Full stop. The first of her children, a boy, was at school, and another hour would pass before he would return running along the little road that led to the house. Full stop. The younger of her children was a little girl, and the woman could see her at play from where she sat. Full stop. She was a happy, healthy looking young girl of 8 with the lovely nature coloring that results from good food and enough of it and good clean air. Full stop. While the mother sat at the window, she was not thinking either of the loveliness of the countryside or of the healthy color in her children's faces. Full stop. Those were the things that were part of life itself, and they were the things in danger of being lost forever. Full stop. If once she and her little family left there, they would never return. Of that she was certain. Full stop. And it was of that possible going away that she thought so seriously as she sat by the little window on that peaceful June day. Full stop. Father had been offered a good position in the city, and while he said that he would do whatever she wished in the matter, while he left it to her to say yes or no, he desired very, very much to take up the position, and she knew that this was so. Full stop. Nor did she think him wrong. Full stop. He had, she knew, a good quick mind, a mind that was never still, a mind ever at work on some idea or another. Full stop. On the long nights of the long winters, he would read his book and work out ideas and plans, and in the mornings he would go off to his work, which made no demands at all upon that clear mind. Full stop. His voice was never heard speaking against his work or his way of life, but because she loved him, she knew that deep inside him was the desire for something more than that easy, peaceful life gave him. Full stop. A month ago, 2 gentlemen from the big city had called at his office in connection with some business, and out of that call had come this offer of employment at a rate of pay that would offer them great advantages. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Kambulu Kaur Shahadra.